So students, let's start. Chapter number 1, the life cycle of animal. In that exercise. So first question is, question number 1, answer in brief. And in that, the first question is, why must the hen sit on her egg? Listen again. Why must the hen sit on her eggs? Answer is, the chicks grow inside the eggs. The warmth is needed for the growth. Therefore, mother hen sit on the egg to give warmth. This warmth helps the chick to grow inside and hatch. Therefore, hen must sit on her egg. The second question is, why does hen becomes aggressive when she is hatching her egg? Listen again. Why does hen becomes aggressive when she is hatching her eggs? Answer is, hen is alert and she fears for the safety of her eggs. So, in order to protect the eggs from the intruders, she becomes aggressive when she is hatching her eggs. Third question is, which are the 4 stages of life cycle of butterfly? Listen again. Which are the 4 stages of life cycle of butterfly? Answer is egg, larva or caterpillar. Larva is also called as caterpillar, pupa and adult. Listen again. Egg, larva or caterpillar, pupa and adult are the 4 stages of life cycle of butterfly. The next question is, which changes takes place inside the chrysalis of the plain tiger butterfly? Listen question again. Which changes takes place inside the chrysalis of the plain tiger butterfly? Listen answer. Plain tiger butterfly pupa stop feeding completely and shows following changes. In plain tiger butterfly, pupa stop feeding completely and shows following changes. First change is its legs grows longer. Then second change, it develops attractive wings. Third change is the body grows completely and pupa turns into adult butterfly. Listen again. Its legs grows longer. Then next is it develops attractive wings. And the last is the body grows completely and pupa turns into adult butterfly. Question number 2 is, state true or false. True or false. In that, first one is, a lamb emerges from an egg. Listen again. A lamb emerges from an egg. Answer is false. Second one is, we cannot easily see the egg of an ant because they are very tiny. We cannot easily see the eggs of an ant because they are very tiny. Answer is true. Third one is, when the caterpillar emerges from the egg, it is not very hungry. When the caterpillar emerges from the egg, it is not very hungry. It is false. And the last question is, fill in the blanks. First one is, The female butterfly lays dash dash on the leaves of plant. Answer is the female butterfly lays eggs on the leaves of plant. Answer is eggs. Next, second one is the larva of butterfly is called a dash dash. The larva of butterfly is called caterpillar. Understood, student? So you have to write down this exercise as it is in your notebook and recite it at home. Thank you.